Hi, Emily. I just went ahead and just made a video, just mainly so you could say hi, and the lighting here is really bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this. You probably know how to do it. There's my music. There's your email, so I'm gonna respond back to it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and go back. And you are awesome. I was bragging to Mr. Knoll about how well you've been working and how much you stay in contact. So I want you to know that that's very, very much appreciated. So this is week 5, day 3. Okay, so you have the balancing act. Here you go. Okay, now I'm going to move where I'm at, and you're going to come here to this, and you're going to open in a new window. Because I did save it as a Google Doc, and then it just put it into that format. Go ahead and open with and Google Docs. My internet is running very, very slow. And if you notice, if you're like me, waiting for a haircut. I'm supposed to have a haircut on Sunday, but the state won't be open. And there you go. You should have it. You might want to go ahead and make a copy. I'm going to move me again, and I'm actually going to take me off if it will let me. Okay, I think there it is. So you might want to go ahead and make a copy, go from there. Okay, I hope that works. It's good to hear from you. I do miss your face. So take care and keep asking questions.